Close your eyes for just 1 second and ask yourself this: when was the last time your mind actually felt quiet? Not distracted, not rushing, not replaying yesterday or worrying about tomorrow, just calm. If that feels rare or even impossible, you're not alone. And that's exactly why today's video might be one of the most important ones you'll ever watch. Meditation sounds mysterious, right? People imagine sitting cross-legged for hours, completely silent, with a perfectly empty mind. And if you've ever tried it and thought, "I'm terrible at this," trust me, you're not failing. You're actually doing it right. Meditation isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. And today, I want to show you how simple and realistic meditation for beginners can truly be. Meditation is not about control. It's about awareness. It's learning to notice what's happening inside you without judging it or fighting it. If you're new to meditation, start by forgetting everything you think you know. You don't need special music, candles, or a perfect room. You don't even need to sit on the floor. You can sit on a chair, on your bed, or even lie down if that's comfortable. The most important thing is that your body feels relaxed and supported. Now gently bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to breathe deeply or force anything. Just notice it. Notice the air coming in through your nose and going out. That's it. That simple awareness is meditation. Your breath becomes an anchor, something steady to return to whenever your mind wanders, and it will wander. That's normal. Here's the part most beginners don't expect. The moment you notice your mind drifting, that moment of noticing is actually success. You haven't failed, you've just become aware. And awareness is the goal. Each time you gently bring your attention back to your breath, you're training your mind the same way you train your body at the gym, through repetition, patience, and kindness. At first, your meditation might last 1 minute. And that's perfectly fine. 1 minute of awareness is better than 0 minutes of stress-free living. Over time, that 1 minute can become 3, 5, or 10. There's no rush. Meditation works best when it's consistent, not when it's long. You might also notice emotions coming up: restlessness, boredom, even discomfort. Again, nothing is wrong. Meditation creates space, and sometimes what we'd avoiding finally gets room to surface. When that happens, instead of pushing it away, simply notice it. Say to yourself, "I'm feeling restless," or "I'm feeling anxious," and return to your breath. This gentle acknowledgement can be incredibly powerful. One of the biggest benefits beginners notice is mental clarity. You start reacting less and responding more. Stress doesn't disappear, but it stops controlling you. Your sleep improves. Your focus sharpens. Even your workouts and daily habits feel more intentional. Meditation isn't separate from life, it improves how you experience life. If you ever think, "I don't have time to meditate," that's usually the moment you need it the most. Just a few minutes a day can reset your nervous system and bring you back to the present moment. Think of meditation as a pause button in a world that never stops moving. So if you're starting today, keep it simple. Sit comfortably. Notice your breath. Let thoughts come and go. Be patient with yourself. There's no perfect meditation, only a practice, and every time you show up, you're already doing something powerful for your mind and body. If this video helped you feel a little calmer or more confident about starting meditation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're here to build not just strong bodies but calm, focused minds too. Take a deep breath right now, and I'll see you in the next video.